Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. So first of all you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com. It will take you to this page. Now just need to tap on this Roblox icon over here. Just go to Avatar and make sure to enable desktop mode to use this Avatar editor on mobile or iPad. Now you just need to tap on this accessories and go to face accessories. Now guys, you can see that I have already equipped two accessories at the same time. Just tap on. If I unselect one of them, I'm trying to select again both of them, you can see it doesn't work. So how can I select two accessories? You just need to hold a new accessories and just copy the link address, open a new tab from here and paste your link here and just copy the asset id. Just tap on it and select it and copy and go to avatar page, and here you have to tap on the advanced link and just tap on this asset id, blank asset id, and just tap on this save button, save again, and you both have accessories will be selected. If you have multiple accessories, more than two accessories, you can select all of them by using this feature or this following the steps I've told you in this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new on channel.